Today we will show you how to change your Forerunner 935's watch band. Before starting, you will need two Torx 6 screwdrivers, a compatible 22mm watch band, or a 22mm quick fit watch band. First, use two Torx 6 to loosen the screws. Use the Torx to hold the screw on one side, while unscrewing it from the other side with the other Torx. Once it's loosened, you will find a pin and a small screw, which are called spring bar. Repeat the same process on the other band. After you dismantle it, put on a new watch band and fix it with the pin. The assembling process is the same. Use the Torx to hold the pin and screw the other side. Repeat the process on the other band as well. Then you have completed changing the watch band. You can also change the watch to fit the quick fit watch band. After you dismantle it, fix the pin and the screw directly on the watch. Repeat the same process on the other band. Then you can buckle on the quick fit watch band afterward. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit Garmin's support website.